Please subscribe.
Eight years out from the principal gen Audi A1's reality make a big appearance in Paris, Ingolstadt is back with an all-new emphasis. The 2019 Audi A1 Sportback is speedier, bigger, and all around an enhanced item from the first that landed in 2010. What's more, in plain view at the Paris engine appear, it looks particularly great. Envisioned here wearing a red paintwork with white rally-motivated wheels, the Audi A1 pays praise to the Gathering B rally vehicle with a similar name. At 13.2 feet, 4.03 meters, long, 5.7 feet, 1.74 meters, wide, and 4.6 feet high, 1.4 meters, the new A1 satisfies its notoriety of being the perfect body for an urban way of life, says Audi. With 11.8 cubic feet of load with the back seats erect, and 38.5 blocks with the second seat level, the new A1 is more open than the past model by 2.3 cubic feet. It likewise includes three distinctive wheel alternatives, 15, 16, and 17-inch units relying upon trim, and various discretionary S-line outside trim pieces. In the lodge, the A1 accompanies a standard 8.8-inch mid-contact infotainment framework, with best trim alternatives getting a bigger 10.1-inch choice. This model specifically, a 30T FSI- is controlled by the range-topping turbocharged 1.4-liter 4-barrel motor, creating 200 torque, 147 kilowatts. Underneath the best trim 1.4-liter is a passage level 3-chamber choice that produces 95 torque, 75 kilowatts. The 3-barrel motor can be had with either a 6-speed manual or a S-tronic double grasp, while the range-topping turbocharged 4 must be had with the S-tronic choice. The new Audi A1 will go on special in Europe later in the year. Purchasers in the US, tragically, won't have the capacity to get their hands on the great-looking hatchback. Nor 10 different introductions that were appeared in Paris.